So a jam chuck. This is the pieces to a jam chuck. What is it used for? Well, I've turned a bowl. I've got it on my 4-jaw chuck. I've turned the inside. I want to take off my tenon off the bottom. How do we do that? Well, take the bowl off. Take the 4-jaw off. Morse taper to 5/8 end mill shaft, 5/8 tool shaft. Fits in the headstock of the lathe. A pulley. This is a 2-inch pulley, 5/8 bore set screw, 1/2-inch MDF, glued on, piece of leather glued onto that for protection and traction. Put that on there. Tighten up the Allen screw. Now we can place the bowl on like so. Slide our tailstock in. Tighten this up. Rotate to make sure we're looking fairly square. And now we can use our tooling to turn the foot the way we want it to look. Also made a smaller one. This one is 1.5 inches. You can make any size you want. 5/8 bore.